Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So jobs number was a bit of a debacle on Friday, hence we kind of didn't really go anywhere. Nobody knew what to do with the jobs number because it wasn't what everybody was expecting. And then we've got the Feds. So now we're kind of looking at the CPI to see if the Feds are lying or not. And that happens on Wednesday. Anyway, so for all intents and purposes, this is an upward trend. You should be looking to buy into this. It's just tapered off ever so slightly. And the other thing that you need to pay attention to here is your Fibonacci. So 50% Fibonacci and 61.8 Fibonacci is right. Let's just get a level. There it is there. I'll tidy that up now. So if you look here, you'll see resistance and support, and then we tried to find support with this bar there and nothing further. So that kind of the zone that I'd be looking at right where we are now at 46.65. If that fails, I'd be looking at 46.35. Slight diversions here. Look at the previous low. There's oscillator's low, and then the current low here. So if we move to the 3 hour, you're not going to see much difference. So you can see the drop in the week. That was the Fed's minute, and then we basically just went sideways. The jobs number was really bad. I mean, it was half of what was expected, but have a look at what priced it. Nothing really. So I have a feeling what we have a situation where the smart money is waiting. Retail traders are trying to capitalize on whatever move is happening at the moment, and I'd be cautious with a setup like this because smart money always wins. At the end of the day, there's more of it in circulation than pretty much with the retail traders. So it's only in a stock like GameStop or one of those little meme stocks where we have the power as retail traders to sort of move the market in a direction. But on the S&P 500, it's kind of impossible to do. Anyway, looking at the hour, you can see we started off sort of Wednesday, Thursday sideways, Friday down, sort of big down, big up, big down, big up, and then we just kind of drifted. So I suspect we need to pay attention to this 46.65. If this holds, then I'd be looking for a sort of a change in direction. At the moment, direction is down. So you'd probably be worthwhile looking for shorts off the trend line. I think that would be the easiest setup for me. But as you all know me, I don't short the S&P 500. So I'm looking here, 46.65. See if I can find some price action here during the US session, not the European session. If that fails, I would expect the European session just to drift lower, and then we pick up some support down here at 46.35 or 4600. So that's kind of the area that I suspect we're going to get some value in. And bear in mind, most traders will be back at their trading stations today. So we've got diversions here on the hour as well. At the moment, we've got a crossover of the moving averages above the 20. So there's a lot going on here, which is indicating a potential bottom. But let's not pick the bottom. Let's wait for confirmation. Excuse the dog. But anyway, that's kind of my view today. Let's wait and see, and then we will see what happens from the structure. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.